small in every hue. Let's explore them, me and you. Let's explore them, me and you. Round and round the circle goes, like the sun and a button on your clothes. No corners here, just smooth and neat. A perfect shape that can't be beat. Square is next with sides of 4, like windows, boxes, and your front door. Every angle's just the same in this shape's geometry game. Triangle points with corners 3, like a slice of pizza, can't you see? Mountains high and sailing boat, in triangle shapes they proudly float. Rectangle stretches long and thin, like a candy bar or a violin. 2 sides long and 2 sides short, this shape's a friendly sort. Oval looks like an egg, it's true, or the mirror where you say peekaboo. Rounded ends and curved all round, in racetracks it can be found. Diamond shines with points so sharp, like a kite that flies up high and far. Turn it sideways, what do you see? A square that's standing on one knee. Heart shape shows love, oh so sweet. 2 curves meet where they greet. Point at bottom, round on top. In Valentine's it's hard to stop. Star-shaped twinkles in the night, with pointed arms shining bright. 5 or more, they're always fun to draw and cut when day is done. Crescent curves like the moon, a smile in the sky, we'll see it soon. Not quite circle, not quite line, this shape is simply divine. Pentagon has 5 sides strong, in beehives they don't get it wrong. Count the edges, 1, 2, 5, this shape keeps bees alive. Hexagon with 6 sides neat, in snowflakes it's a winter treat. Nature loves this shape so true, in turtle shells we see it too. Octagon says stop right there, 8 sides make drivers aware. Count them all from top to ground, this shape keeps our streets safe and safe. Sphere is round in every way, like a ball with which we play. Bounce it, roll it, have some fun, this 3D shape weighs a ton. Cube has squares on every face, 6 of them in every place. Roll the dice and see what shows, this shape in buildings often grows. Cone points up just like a hat, wide at bottom, top is flat. Ice cream scoops it happily on this shape so tastily. And Earth stands tall and proud, like a can of soup in the crowd. Round the sides, flat on each end, this shape's a useful friend.